Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Google Form thank you page. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a Google form and I'm going to edit the thank you page in this Google form. If we want to do that, first thing first, we need to go to the Google form settings. We can click on the settings option and then we have to scroll down until we find the presentation. Okay, click on this little arrow and here you need to go to the confirmation message. You can edit this message. This is for the thank you page and this is the default message from Google Form and I'm going to say thanks. Right, I'm just going to type in thanks for filling this form. Okay, you can edit this confirmation message according to your need, and after that you just need to click on save. Okay, and now the thank you page has been edited. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit Google Form thank you page. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.